This chicken enchilada soup is an easy way to feed a lot of people quickly. You can double the batch easily. All you really need is some chicken broth, some rotel, some enchilada sauce, and some chicken. I like to use up my extra vegetables, so I will saute anything I have left over first, but you can leave this out completely. So I just put my leftover veggies. I think I had some onions, a potato, some carrots, some celery. Usually there's bell pepper or something in there. I just use whatever I have. But you can make this just with the base and it's still delicious. So I saute the veggies for about 5 minutes and then I pour in my chicken broth. And this can easily be doubled or tripled. For every 32-ounce container of chicken broth, just use another can of enchilada sauce. And it makes just such a great base for a soup. So you pour in that enchilada sauce. And I can't recreate this flavor. So I'm a kind of dump it together kind of girl. So that's the rotel. That adds a little bit of spice and a little bit of tomatoes and chilies. I use rotisserie chicken, but in a pinch, you can even use canned chicken. Stir it up really well. And then sometimes I'll add some extra corn. So I just dump cans of things into it if I'm going to feed a lot of people to help fill people up more. But you can also just add more broth, do whatever you need to do. And it just turns out perfect every time. So I let it simmer about 15-20 minutes. If you have potatoes in there, you might want to let it simmer a little bit longer. I serve up the soup, and I like to use my condiment caddy and kind of use the same things that I would serve with tacos to top it. My husband loves it with some sour cream, some cilantro, squeeze a little lime on there, some chopped up onions, and we usually serve it with cheese and avocado as well. And it is a great soup to feed a lot of people. Find the full recipe at messyjoyfuljourney.com.